In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate QuickBooks Online to update categories in your chart of accounts. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, this guide will help you make those necessary modifications with ease. Let's begin by opening your web browser. Now, I would recommend using Chrome for the best experience as it tends to be the most compatible with QuickBooks features. Once you've got your browser open, navigate to the QuickBooks website by entering quickbooks.intuit.com in the address bar. Once there, go ahead and sign in to your account with your credentials. After logging in, we're going to focus on accessing the chart of accounts. To locate the chart of accounts, you'll first want to direct your attention to the left sidebar. You'll see a tab labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on that. A new menu will appear, and from there, select Chart of Accounts. This will bring up a comprehensive list of all your existing accounts and categories that you can update. Now that you have your chart of accounts in front of you, it's time to find the category you want to update. You can either scroll through the list manually or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the specific account or category. Once you've found the one you're looking for, the next step is to edit it. To make changes, look for the drop-down arrow or the option labeled View Register next to the account name. Clicking this will open a menu. From this menu, select Edit to proceed to the next step where you can update the category details. Now you have the opportunity to make all the necessary changes. You can modify the account name, adjust the detail type, or add a more descriptive text to the description field. Pay close attention to the account type. Ensuring it's assigned correctly is crucial for accurate reporting. The account type affects how transactions are classified, so double check that it's aligned with your reporting requirements and financial goals. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, go ahead and click Save and Close. This action will update the category, saving all the modifications you've applied. Lastly, it's important to verify that your updates have been recorded correctly. Head back over to your chart of accounts and double check that the changes you've implemented are reflected accurately. A quick review here can save you from potential headaches down the line. And there you have it. You've successfully updated a category in your QuickBooks Online chart of accounts. With these straightforward steps, managing your financial data becomes a little bit easier, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters in your business. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your accounting needs in QuickBooks Online.